Hello everyone! Tonight I am cooking dinner for myself because Stanley is off to a bachelor party. Last week was my time, this week is his time. So I am going to cook myself kimchi jjigae. It's simple, it's fast, it's something that I can make in bulk. So that is what I'm going to do tonight and also save enough for tomorrow so I don't have to cook. So I realize I don't have onions or the can of tuna, but that is okay. And it's done. Now that I'm alone, I can watch whatever I want. Let's see where Stanley is. Do you guys turn on your locations for your loved ones? I do. Looks like he's almost at Boston. Just a tad more. Hopefully he's driving safely. Going to start this. Taking a nice walk out in the early morning, it feels really nice. The air is like really crisp and fresh, and there's not a lot of people, and it feels very calm. Maybe I should do this more often. So I'm off to Trader Joe's. I am trying to see what kind of flowers they have because their selections change every single day, and I want to make sure we have enough of the right flowers for the bridal shower on Saturday. Tomorrow is my friend Lauren's bridal shower and I kind of just want to do my nails just to make it fun. So these nails are from Mani Me. If you follow me, you would know I just wear these all the time. It's just super easy to put on for someone like me who is really bad at putting on nail polish and does not want to go out to get a manicure. So it comes with a wipe. It also comes with a nail filer. All you do is just take it off and then stick it on. And then you just file off the excess. And there is the first nail. Okay, and this is the final product. The last thing is just putting a top coat on it just to seal it and give it a nice shine. I'm kind of really digging this color. This is not a color that I would normally go for, but I feel like it's really nice. Good morning. Today is Saturday. It is Lauren's bridal shower. I'm about to get ready, gonna pick up some flowers, and then gonna Uber to the church venue. All right, so I just got ready. This is my outfit. Got my matcha. It is currently 7:58, almost 8 o'clock, so I'm about to head to Trader Joe's. All right, these are all the rest of the flowers that I got. They're like white flowers, roses, and this bag is very clutch. Totally recommend it. So these are the flowers I got yesterday. I'm gonna add it all here. Shout out to Trader Joe's for all these beautiful, affordable flowers. So this is everything. We have the flowers, we have a bag with more decorations, we have a suitcase with more decorations, and lastly, a book bag with more decorations. Wow, now we have to put this all together.